Right, hello everyone, my name's Roger Allmond. I've been asked to put together a bit of a video diary for Bennetts, who've also asked me to produce a custom bike for them. I'm going to give you a bit of a tour of my workshop. I'm sure you can see some of the machines and stuff in the background, and you'll get a bit more familiar with these machines over the weeks as I build the bike. Behind me you can see my toolboxes. I've been collecting snap-on tools and toolboxes since I was 12 years old, so you can imagine I've spent a lot of money over the years. I've got my welders behind me. I only use Miller welders. As you can see, this is the blue welder here. They're the best welders you can buy. And we're just coming over to the CNC machines now. This is my 3-axis mill. This is where I make most of my wheels, produce a lot of the parts of the bike. Behind me in the corner is the lathe, and there is the Rocket 3, supposedly the most powerful and fastest production bike you can buy. It's a real honour to be asked by Bennetts to build it and produce the bike, but at the same time I'm really conscious that I've got to come up with something unusual, something original, and that's a big ask. It's not an easy project to take on. I'm going to crack on now, get started, get that bike stripped down. Actually, it looks great like that. I might just leave it as it is. So clear off, leave me alone, and I'll see you soon.